So hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Affinity by Canva. So this is free actually, so it's really easy to install. So you just need to search Affinity by Canva. Then after that, you're just gonna click on this link. And after that, it's gonna ask you to sign into your Canva. I already signed in on mine using Google. So you just gotta choose depending on your OS here. So my OS is Windows, so I gotta click Windows. Then we're going to say AMD. So you just wait for it to install. I just installed mine right here. Then we're just gonna go and open it up here. So we're just gonna install Affinity. Sure. Install Affinity right here. Then you're just gonna wait. After that, Affinity should launch on your device. So log in or sign up. Open another tab. So I'm gonna use my Canva here. Say it's gonna open another tab and it's gonna open my Canva. Then you better sign in. So I signed in my account right here. So just go here and accept. So open Affinity. Then after that, you're here on Affinity. So it's that easy to install Affinity, guys. So yeah, guys, that's how you can install Affinity by Canva, and it's that easy. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Bye bye.